Hello, how are you?
How are you today?
Hi. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are. Am I?
Yeah, very much. So, how was your day?
It was good. As
It was
usual.
good, as
Yeah, as
usual.
usual. But it was a holiday, so it was better. Much better.
So, why don't you introduce yourself first?
Yeah, I'm Archana. And actually, I'm Sukshan's friend. So I'm here to promote her channel, Sukshan's Classes. And it's a great initiative for the people who want to learn from the basics. And please go through the videos. They're really amazing. I think you will get the zest of English. And right now she's doing English, but I know she's going to diversify. And we are going to learn a lot more from her. So,
Thank
yeah,
you so much. Yeah.
yeah. And we are friends.
So, I
We're,
would,
our kids are in the
I would
same
like
class.
to add one more thing. Like
Yeah,
before COVID, we didn't know that we existed, right?
yeah.
It's been 1 year. We're friends. We are friends.
Yeah, we have been friends, and that too because of the kids. They're in the same class, and in fact, they have been
They
in same
were,
class. Yeah,
they
they
were in the
have been
same
in same
class,
class
but
for
still
past.
our friendship.
Yeah,
Hmm.
they have been in same class for past 3 years, but we got to know last year each other. So that was a great.
Benefits of COVID.
Yeah,
Only one
benefits
benefit
of
of COVID.
COVID. Right, true, true. And
So,
how
any
we met?
plans as of now?
Not exactly. Nothing much. Just the usual. Because right
Come
now
on,
with the kids.
it was a holiday today. Don't say
Yeah.
that.
Actually, now I'm ready, so I might go out.
So thanks to me then.
Yeah,
I
thanks to
got
you
you ready.
then. Yeah.
Okay, so I wanted to ask you one question. How's
Yeah, sure.
life before COVID and after COVID? Like, what changes have happened?
Drastic changes, drastic changes. Now we are scared of going out, touching things, and our kids are bound. Kids are bound. That's the worst part because we have done
And
everything. We have done so many things when we were of their age. Right now they are bound. They're bound in the premises of the house only. And seeing them like that, it's the worst part of this COVID period. Rest is fine. Okay, we are doing everything. We are trying
what
to.
about your foundations, bud?
Yeah, my foundation. I right now my husband is going to office. That's a relief. But when the offices were closed, then it was really hectic. The day used to go by just like that in a jiffy, and I was like, "Oh my God, I'm so tired." And every day in the night, I was like, oh God, please don't repeat this day again." So it's like, yeah, it's tough.
You,
It's been tough.
you know now your husband might watch this video later.
Yeah, that's okay. He knows. I keep telling him. As soon as everything
Okay,
opens, I'm like, go to office. Please go to office. And he's like, okay, I'll go.
come on,
Don't push
he
me.
sent you on a girls' trip to Goa, if I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
he does. He does that. He's amazing that way. That's why I'm saying I'm so free to talk about these things because I know how he's going to take this.
So, okay, let's start the topic of today. Like,
Yeah,
how
sure.
do you feel when people come up to you and say, you're so lucky that you're just a homemaker? Your first reaction, instant reaction.
Actually, nobody says that you're so lucky that you're a homemaker. Everybody condescends about this. They think being a homemaker is like nothing. What do? You stay at
Yeah,
home.
just a homemaker, na?
Yeah,
You are just
you
a
stay at
homemaker,
home.
that's good.
Yeah, that's in a very condescending tone. They don't say it with a very happy face or anything like that, but they're like, "Oh, you're just a homemaker. What work do you do? You just stay with your kids. You have the best time in your day." So we are like,
Right, right.
"No, we have thousands of things to do, the errands to run. There are so many chores in the house that we don't get time for ourselves. Sometimes I feel that I have to go somewhere and get pampered because there is no time for us. It's
Why your husband is not
actually this is
pampering
the
you?
yeah, he tries a lot.
Then
This is the most underappreciated job. Except husbands, they know what we do, how much struggle we go through with the kids, with the family and everything.
unpaid
But
also. Unpaid.
yeah, that
Don't
too. Yeah,
forget.
that too. During COVID, that was also a very big struggle because we were not having
No
any house
maids,
helps.
nothing.
No house help, no house help, nothing. In fact, this is house help. We couldn't even buy uh, these vegetables and all from the street vendors because we have to go somewhere to buy them. Street vendors never used to come during that time, and that was difficult. Yeah,
But
but
you have your
I am
husband for
telling
it,
you,
no?
being a homemaker is looked down in our society. it's not taken as a good job or a privileged job or a job that needs some appreciation. They're like,
It's not
okay,
even considered as a job, yeah. It's not even a
exactly,
job.
it's not true. It's not even there. It's like, okay, stay at home. You're good. You're living good life. You're staying at home. So, or otherwise they are going to say, you don't make money. Don't you feel the desire to make money? And we are like, okay, money is the second step here. First, we have to look after the family, that they are well and happy, and mostly about kid. You know how we have to take care of them. And right now they're in such a delicate age, and they don't have anybody. They don't have their friends to share anything with. So right now they need us most. Earlier they used to go to
But people
school.
do come up to us, na, that you are not career oriented woman, like career oriented woman,
Career
oriented.
oriented, right? Career oriented. They always. That's what I was telling you. You don't make money. Oh, you're not supporting financially. Oh, that's bad. You should be supporting, because during these times,
That's bad.
during these times, two people should be earning in a house. I'm like, no, my husband does really well, so I don't think we need that. But it's okay.
But you were
I don't.
working before Arav, na, before your
Yeah,
child was born.
I was right. I was.
Why you
But
left it then?
see, career took the backstage when Arab was born, because I found that he needs me more. He's like a developing plant, and if I'm not going to nurture him right now, then after 10, 12 years, I'm going to regret it. I can go with my career after 10 years, because I know I can do it. But after 10 years, I would have lost the kid in certain ways, like intellectually. He won't be so social if I'm not interacting with him. He speaks so well right now because I'm always around. Otherwise, he has nobody to talk to. He doesn't have siblings. Nobody is at home who can talk to him. So there are things that I have considered, and my husband also considered. In fact, I had so many gloomy days about this, that I can't leave my career. I was doing so well, and he was like, "That's all right. You will do well in future, but right now let's focus on the kid." And we were like,
And
"Okay." Then that was
this discussion, like by this discussion, we are not saying that, like we are not demeaning any career
no,
oriented
not
woman or
at all.
something like
The
that. We
career,
are just
no,
telling
not
them
at all.
that homemakers do have lots of
True.
work, and they
See,
deserve the respect which
everybody
they
has their,
get.
yeah, right. Everybody has their priorities set. If
Hmm.
I prioritize to be a homemaker, then that's my choice. And everybody should have a choice. We should choose, and nobody should condescend or should look down on us regarding our choices. So that's what I feel. I feel, just don't judge me. I don't care what you do. You're happy. I'm happy that you're happy, but don't judge me. That's how I feel.
Okay, so that was Archana Sharma,
Yeah, that is
unfiltered.
Archana Sharma. Yeah.
So
Archana
what are the
Sharma is
future
always
plans as of
unfiltered,
now?
darling.
Unfiltered.
Yeah, always.
Future plans now. After, like,
Future plans.
the
Yeah.
days when COVID will go away and Arav will start going to
Then we'll
school.
go on a
What will
vacation,
Archana
Suksham.
do?
Then we will go on a vacation, Suksham. It's been so long now.
What about kids, na? They will be going to
Kids,
school, na? You
yeah,
can't go
they'll
on
be going to
vacations.
school. But they'll be going
At
to
least we
school.
can
That
go
will,
to gym.
yeah, we can go to gym, right? Gyms are
At
still
least.
open, but it doesn't feel
But
right
we
to
don't
go
have
out right
time,
now.
na?
Yeah,
The best
no,
time is
not
in the
time, and
morning.
it doesn't also feel right. Gyms are so close spaces. I don't feel like going there. But yes, kids will go. It will be a relief for us. They are going to meet their friends after such a long time. And these days, kids never used to crave for school, but now they are craving for schools. They're like, "Mama, when will the school open?" And I'm like, "Okay, the COVID time has made you realize the school is also important, and they will get to meet the friends."
So when
Yeah,
I was young, like we were young, school was very much important according to our parents. But now
right.
school is not that much important. Na? COVID changed
Yeah.
it all.
Yeah, our perspective has changed. We are like, if
Studies
kids
are
should,
not important. Like they are not
exactly,
compulsory. Like daily needs. For example, if you are a shopkeeper, you're selling those grocery items. That's a
right.
necessity.
Education is a
Medical stores
necessity.
are necessity.
Right,
It's not a necessity anymore. Na?
right.
Until COVID is there.
Actually, that's what I'm talking about. The priorities have changed, because now we are prioritizing their health. We think that their health should be the first thing that we should take care of. Education, we are going to educate them. That's that's not gonna hamper anything.
On this line of yours, I wanted to ask you something. Like, are you satisfied with what online teaching is like? Schools are going on. I mean, frankly, if I tell you, I'm making her do the classwork. I am making her do the homework. I am making her do the revision. What am I paying for? I know this may be this may sound wrong, but yeah, this is my
This might
viewpoint.
to some people. See, I think they are doing as much as they can. That's
Hmm.
they also have limitations, but true part is mothers are doing everything. I don't know, some fathers
Hmm.
might be, I don't know, but in my house the mother is doing everything. Some fathers might be helping, but yeah, true, parents have too much pressure right now. Right now, these competitions, they are too much for us now, because competitions are like we are doing all the things and results are not as per our wishes, because
Yeah,
you know.
judgment criteria are a bit unfair. I mean, it's like our kids are running in a race where some are on their foot and others are on a car because they have creative mothers behind
Right.
them, right?
True. Very true, very true. And I'm the
So,
non-creative one, so I think I can
so,
relate to that. Yeah,
so I am a creative one. So yeah,
yeah,
Arav is going to run on his foot and Samir is going to run like go in a race with a car.
yeah, true.
So who
So
will
that's what
win?
I'm saying. Ki I want some. See, India has evolved in online education, but the
Hmm.
problem here is they are not striking the right parts. They are just doing it in a manner where they just have to finish the syllabus. They are not striking the right nerves. If they strike the right nerves, online education is really helpful for kids and for parents also. Because and your internet is bothering you today, I think. You are getting reconnected again and again.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
yeah.
seems like that.
I told you earlier also.
Yeah.
Anyway, so my last section is like I told you, Suksham wants to know. So my
Yeah.
question is, why can't I see any new video on your cooking channel? And when will I get to see it?
That see,
And
there is a
please
very
be
simple
honest.
explanation to it, Suksham. The simple explanation is that the COVID has changed everything. Right now, I'm so indulged in family and house and everything. I used to get 4 hours to myself when Arav used to go to school, and right now I don't get a minute to myself because he's always
But you are
buzzing.
cooking every day, yeah? This is just
Yeah,
an
but
excuse. You are cooking every day.
no, but
You can just film yourself cooking.
no, it doesn't work like that. Now I have to make everything perfectly placed. At I'm cooking like, okay, I have to finish this. This is a task, and I have to finish this. I can't take more than
While
this
talking
time
to
out for
me,
this thing.
majority of times, while talking to me, you are cooking, na?
Yeah,
Because we are on
we are
phone.
chatting. Yeah, most of the time we are chatting. So actually, maybe the COVID will go away and the kids are going to school. Then we'll get so much time. 4 hours is a very big window, and in that window, I can
Mm-hmm.
make, I think, two videos in a day. So that's like I don't have that kind of quality time. There is chaos in the house. He's always buzzing around. He's always carrying something. He's so loud, and I can't make that video and expect him to be shut up and sit for a while. He can't do that. I know how kids are. 5 years old. So that's how it is.
But honestly
So
speaking,
now
you have
you answer
300
my
followers.
question.
Baby, you have 300 followers over there, and I am dying to get those.
You will get them very easily. The way your classes are going, the way your lessons are, they're so simplified, so easy, and such short videos. You get so many knowledge in such short of amount of time that you feel like, okay, that was worth it. That 1.5 minute was worth
Okay,
it.
on this note, I want to ask, like, I want to tell you one more tip about English. Do you know that the alphabet English is silent at the end of every word it comes? Think about it.
Alphabet E, you want to say?
Is silent. Yeah.
Yeah, table, like table, and
Table,
table,
stage,
yeah, stage, yeah.
craze.
Not
So it's
every,
silent.
yeah, right. When it
It's
comes
silent
singular, yeah, it's silent, yeah.
at the end of every word. E is silent.
That is Suksham ma'am's tips. Thank you, Suksham ma'am.
So
Okay, one
let's
more
sign
thing
off.
I want to tell
Okay,
you
okay.
or ask you. Why don't you go for mathematics also? Go for some tricks for mathematics for smaller kids or something like that. Because I know you're good at maths and science also. So you can diversify to science later on, but I think you should go for maths. that is going to be really interesting.
Thank you so much for your advice, and I'll surely work on it. But for me, one thing at a time. It's just a
Yeah, that's
start,
true.
no?
That's right.
It's
But it is Suksham ma'am ki
it's
class. It is
miles
not.
to
Ah,
yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
It's miles to go before I sleep, baby.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, Archana. And let's
Thank you.
continue this
Thank you,
chat on phone
Suksham.
now.
Yeah, yeah,
Bye
yeah.
bye.
Thank
Have
you
a
so
nice
much,
day.
Suksham. It was
Thank you
nice
so
talking
much,
to
darling.
you.
Love you. And
Love you. I
as you
had a
say,
great
bye
time.
bye, darling.
Bye
Take
bye.
care.
You too. Bye bye.